Hey everybody, it's Alex checking in again, making another video. You might have seen our previous video I made with the sneeze guard that I made for my wife's desk at her office. Well, I'm making another similar sneeze guard, but this I'm gonna do really keeping budget in mind and trying to put together a good quality sneeze guard for about 25 bucks, which I think is pretty good. So what I've got here is I went to pick up a piece of acrylic. So I've got a brand new piece of acrylic here. This is $19, and I've got some brackets. I've got 4 L-shaped brackets. These were $3. And then whether or not you want to have it mobile, like to where you can move it around a bit, or you want to keep it stationary and just screw it down, I'll show you a couple different options. You can use some 1x2 lumber, or in this case I've got an extra piece of 1x2 primed lumber here, and I'll show you what we can do. So let's get at it. So we got 4 of these L brackets. We got some number 8 screws, some bolts. You can get these in little baggies for 99 cents because you don't need as many as 100 like I have here. So you can get like a baggie of 10 of them for like $1, and then you'll get the number 8 matching lock nuts. Whenever you buy these pieces of acrylic, they're always going to have some protective film on them. Don't worry about that. Keep it on there until the end because we can peel it off. You don't want to take any chance and risk scratching up the plastic. I told you this is going to be quick and easy and simple. I've got the brackets on here, and you've got a couple different options. If you think this is going to be like in a stationary location, like maybe at a desk, or maybe you're not going to need to move it down, then what I would do is I would just take some screws and screw this right down into wherever you want it to go. What I'm going to do is, because I'm going to be moving it around a little bit, I'm going to attach it to these 1x2s, and it's going to give me a little bit more stability than just having it on these brackets. What do you think? Sit down behind your chair. Sit down in your chair. Let's test it out. It's hard to see because there's no frame. Huh? Sit down and say cheese. Cheese. Alright, so that's my quick and easy do-it-yourself sneeze guard. I think you can put a good quality product together for $20–25. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I know we're usually traveling. Hopefully we'll get back to traveling soon. We did take a trip to Cabo recently, which I'll post that video shortly. Other than that, if you have any feedback or questions or comments, please leave it below, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.